A $100 dress shirt can cost as little as $6 to manufacture. That massive markup? It isn't funding superior Egyptian cotton or artisanal Italian stitching. It's funding a global brand machine. It's paying for the Super Bowl ad, the prime real estate in Manhattan, and the celebrity face on the billboard. Most men believe that a higher price tag is a proxy for quality. In the world of modern garment production, that is a dangerous lie. Today, we are dissecting the economics of menswear. We're ranking 10 iconic labels, 5 whose prices are built on smoke, mirrors, and licensing fees, and 5 where your money actually makes it into the fabric of the garment. Welcome to the reality of the brand markup. Choose wisely. Dress for yourself. Number 10, Tommy Hilfiger. We start with the quintessential American heritage label. Tommy Hilfiger has built an empire on the preppy aesthetic. But look past the red, white, and blue logo, and the math falls apart. A standard Hilfiger dress shirt retails between $80 and $100. The reality? It's typically constructed from a 140 gram per square meter polycotton blend. The fabric cost? Roughly $2 to $4 per meter. When you factor in mass production labor in Bangladesh or Vietnam, trims, and logistics, the landed cost of that shirt is approximately $7. The rest? It's absorbed by PVH Corporation's massive marketing engine. You aren't buying a premium garment, you're buying a logo stitched onto mid-tier, mass-market fabric. Number 9, Armani Exchange, AX. The Armani name carries immense weight, but Armani Exchange is the lowest rung of that hierarchy. It has zero connection to Italian tailoring. A basic AX t-shirt retails for $60 to $90, yet it's often made from a polyester viscose blend, an artificial fiber that lacks the breathability and longevity of high-grade cotton. Managed by Capri Holdings, the brand allocates millions to maintain its cool factor in malls worldwide. The product costs roughly $12 to produce, marked up nearly 10 times by the time it hits the sales floor. In the end, the consumer is paying for the cachet of the name, not a leap in craftsmanship. Number 8, DKNY, Donna Karan, New York. Once a symbol of New York's creative pulse, DKNY is now largely a licensing operation. The brand is produced under the G3 Apparel Group. There is no longer an in-house design atelier, instead, production is split across conglomerate-managed factories in Cambodia and Vietnam. With shirts priced at $120 and a landed cost of $12, the majority of your money goes toward royalty fees paid to the trademark owner. It's a product that trades on 90s nostalgia but delivers almost no connection to the original design oversight that once defined the label. Number 7, Michael Kors. Michael Kors markets accessible luxury, but in menswear, the reality is often disposable fashion. Their $110 belts are frequently made of bonded leather. For the uninitiated, bonded leather isn't real hide, it's scraps of leather fibers ground up and glued together with polyurethane. The material cost is pennies. The result is an accessory engineered to look premium for exactly 6 months before the surface begins to crack and peel at the buckle fold. You are paying for the MK logo, not a product that will last a decade. Number 6, Calvin Klein. Calvin Klein represents the most egregious example of the illusion of choice. Both CK and Tommy Hilfiger are owned by the same parent company, PVH. In many cases, their shirts are produced in the exact same factories with near-identical material inputs. According to 2025 financial filings, PVH maintains a gross margin of nearly 60%. By pricing a CK shirt at $180 versus a Tommy shirt at $100, they aren't offering better cotton, they are segmenting the market. It's the same shirt, just a different marketing budget. Number 5, Uniqlo. While Uniqlo is a mass-market retailer, they have brought unprecedented transparency to the high street. They are one of the few brands that explicitly list fabric specs. For their basics, they utilize certified Supima cotton, an extra-long staple fiber grown in the USA known for its softness and durability. A Supama tee at Uniqlo costs $20 to $30. Their markup is roughly 3x the production cost, a fraction of the 10x markup seen in designer labels. You are paying for verified materials and functional design, not a celebrity endorsement. Number 4, Charles Tyrwhitt. This British staple has mastered the direct-to-consumer, DTC, model for dress shirts. Unlike mid-market brands that hide their specs, Tyrwhitt publishes precise thread counts, often 100s or 120s two-fold cotton. Because they eliminate the wholesale middleman, a $70 shirt from CT often outlasts a $150 shirt from a department store. You are paying for the density of the weave and the crispness of the collar, not a licensing fee. Number 3, Gustin. Gustin has completely bypassed the traditional retail model through crowdsourcing. They don't make a shirt until it's funded by customers. This means zero inventory waste. They use high-end fabrics from famous Japanese and Italian mills, fabrics that usually retail for $250, and sell them for $80. Every campaign discloses the exact mill the fabric came from. It is pure, unadulterated fabric transparency. If you want the best materials in the world without the brand tax, this is where you go. Number 2, Proper Cloth. Proper Cloth is the leader in the custom shirt revolution. Their value lies in the construction. While mass-market brands use double needle stitching for speed, Proper Cloth uses single needle stitching. It's a slower, more expensive process that results in cleaner, stronger seams that don't pucker over time. They publish their bill of materials, showing you the country of origin for every button and thread. A $150 shirt here is a structural masterpiece compared to a designer equivalent. Number 1, Suit Supply. Finally, Suit Supply. They have disrupted the tailoring world by making half-canvas construction accessible. Most designer suits under $1,000 are fused, meaning the internal structure is literally glued together. Over time, these suits lose their shape and bubble. Suit Supply jackets are half-canvas, meaning they have a floating horsehair and wool layer that drapes naturally and breathes. A comparable jacket at a luxury house would cost $1,500. At Suit Supply, it's $600. Why? Because they spend almost nothing on traditional advertising. Their product is the marketing. The next time you're about to drop $150 on a shirt because of the logo on the chest, ask yourself, am I buying a garment, or am I funding a marketing department? True value isn't found in a status symbol, it's found in thread count, canvas structure, and material provenance. Quality has a price, but it shouldn't have a brand tax. Dress smart. Live authentically.